Ever suddenly felt your heart race, your breath quicken, or an unexplained sense of panic? Have you ever faced fear in moments when there was no real danger around? Does the thought of when this might happen again worry you? If any of these questions have stirred something in you, then you're exactly where you need to be. Today's topic is panic disorder, meaning the illness of panic. This is a problem that puts many people in distress. Let's deeply understand it. Let's take a look at its main points. First, we will see what it is, how many types are there, what are its symptoms, what causes it, how can it be prevented, how is it diagnosed, how can it be treated, and finally, its conclusion. First, let's understand what panic disorder is. Panic disorder, or the illness of panic, is a condition in which a person suddenly faces intense fear or panic. Imagine feeling like a major calamity is about to befall you, but in reality, nothing like that happens. This fear is so great that it makes living everyday life difficult. I hope now you have a bit of an idea about panic disorder. Now let's move to the next point where we will learn about its types. There are no types of panic disorder because it itself is a specific type of anxiety disorders. However, the intensity or condition can vary from person to person. Some may only feel it in specific situations, while others may face it repeatedly. So, friends, we understood here that there are no types of panic disorder, because it itself is a specific type of anxiety disorder. Now, let's move on to the next point, where we will look at its symptoms. There are many symptoms of panic disorders, but we have covered some common symptoms in this video. Some common symptoms of panic disorder are suddenly feeling intense fear or panic. Next, increased heartbeat or difficulty in breathing. Next, increased restlessness or nervousness. Next, feeling pain or fatigue in the body. Next, confusion in thoughts or mental tension. So friends, these were some common symptoms of panic disorders. If you know any other symptoms, please write them in the comment box. Now, we will see what causes it. Just like there are many symptoms, there are also many causes, but we have covered some common causes in this video. Let's start. There can be various reasons. If someone in your family has previously had issues with panic, you might have it too. Next, your surrounding environment, such as work stress or other life problems. Next, physical or mental imbalances can also be a reason, like the brain's chemicals not functioning properly. These were some common causes. Now, let's move to the next point, where we will see what can be done to prevent it. There are some simple steps that can be followed to prevent panic disorder. Let's see. Start doing regular exercise or yoga. It helps keep the mind calm. Next, eat healthy. Stay away from unhealthy food. Next, get good sleep. Avoid phone or TV before going to bed. Next, to reduce tension, do meditation or deep breathing exercises. These are some common steps by following which panic disorder can be prevented. Now, let's move to the next point, where we will learn how its diagnosis or testing is done. Let's learn how the diagnosis is made. For its diagnosis, a doctor will ask you some questions and listen to your story. Sometimes, blood tests or other tests might be conducted to ensure there isn't another illness causing these symptoms. These are some steps through which the diagnosis is made. Now, let's move to an important point, where we will learn how it can be treated. Treatment for panic disorder is possible. There are some specific remedies. Getting psychological help, such as therapy sessions. Next, based on the doctor's advice, you can also take some medications. Next, make changes to your daily routine, like doing regular exercise, eating healthy. So friends, this was today's discussion on panic disorder. If you feel there is something missing in any point, please let us know in the comment box and share your strategies. Lastly, let's look at its conclusion. So friends, that was our discussion today on panic disorder, or the illness of panic. If you or someone you know or a family member displays such symptoms, please seek help. Remember, seeking help is not a weakness, but a step of courage. Friends, I hope you liked our video today and that it has taught you something new and important. If so, please like, share this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do it now, so you don't miss out on upcoming videos on such important topics. take care of yourself, and stay happy. Thank you.